Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this unbox review head unit Android 8.0 for Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014 to 2017 years. Okay, here's the box. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. Template range. And check this is special head unit for Okay, let me introduce harness set first. Here is the harness. This is harness, special harness with canvas box. Let me check the Cherokee. You can see Cherokee 2016 years, 2014 to 2017 years. This canvas can fit. Okay, this canvas box. This is special harness. This connector connects to head unit, our head unit. Okay. You can check this connector. Okay, here is the audio combo. This is camera in RC tab. This is AUX input left and right. Okay, this is audio left and right. Okay, this is special harness. It comes with small speaker. This small speaker comes with head unit. Okay, this is original USB. Okay. This is radio antenna. This GPS antenna. And two USB cable. This is an external microphone. Okay. This is camera input. Okay. This is external microphone. And comes with audio cable. This is subwoofer. You can connect the external subwoofer. Okay. And video out 1 and video out 2. This is video out AV out to head rate. This is audio cable, front and rear, left and right. This connects to back of head unit. Okay. This is AUX. This video input. AUX left and right. Connect back of head units. Okay. Let me show the head unit. Can check this German agent. Okay, this is the head unit. You can check this head unit special for Chevrolet. Okay, you can check back. This radio port connectors. This GPS antenna. This Wi-Fi antenna, fuse, and the connectors. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, button lights were on. Yeah, so just this. Okay. Okay, this 10.1-inch IPS touch screen. Okay, let me check it. Please take out this screw protector before you use it. Okay, you can check this IPS touch screen. Very fast response. Let me check. It's built in Google Maps and Play Store. This AC can display on this panel. Let me check the system. You can check model is PX5 octa-core. And Joe version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Let me back the home. You can change this button color element with gray, blue, orange, and the other color you can adjust this panel. Okay, this IPS touch screen is make phone reset hole. This SD card slot. Okay, that's all. Thank you.